Okay, let's go through and take a look at what's going on here. Beginning of 2013, 550,000 shares outstanding. March 31st, 140,000 new shares, so that's 9/12 of the year. We need to keep that in mind. The market price steadily risen. Okay, no other changes in shares occurred. And there are no outstanding securities that can become common stock. That's telling you that there's no other potential dilutive problems out there except for 2 agreements with senior managers. Both agreements relate to compensation arrangements reached in 12. The first agreement grants to the president a right to 42,000 shares of stock. Each year the market's at least 53. It begins in 14 and expires in 17. So that's 14, 15, 16, and 17. That's a total of 4 years. So that's potentially dilutive. And the controller has the other agreement, and the controller's agreement says he or she can get 47,000 shares if they're still with the firm. So that's 1 year. So we pretty much have what we need. We have to come up with the income, and we're given the income is what, 5,200,000. Okay. So let's do the basic earnings per share first. We have 550,000 times 12, so that's out for the whole year. And we have 140,000. That's 9/12. So altogether, this is 550 and 140 times 9/12. It's 105. So for the purposes of basic EPS, we're going to assume 655,000 shares. So we'll take our 5,200,000, and we're going to divide it by 655,000, and we come up with an earnings per share of $7.94. Now this is really pretty easy because we're going to start with the 655, and all we're going to do is we're going to add 4 42s. So we have 655 plus 4 42s, these are all in thousands, plus 147. So when we add that up, we come up with 870. And we'll do our same computation. 5,200,000 divided by 870,000. 597.7598 earnings per share. Okay, you have to remember that dilutive securities, you have to assume that worst case scenario happens. So while this guy may not get all 4 years, it could happen. We act as if it does. Okay.